everyone, this is Esther Devika from Cornerstone. Today we will look into the do's and don'ts in parenting of D alphabet. The first one is discover. To identify and discover the hidden talents in your child. Discovering is gathering information and observing keenly as to what is it that actually interests your child the best. Also, you need to note keenly on what are the tasks that pushes your child to come forward, takes that extra step to fulfill and accomplish the task by his own without being constantly reminded by you. Also, you need to note the tool that the child uses to fight against the boredom that strikes them. And once you discover this element, you need to encourage and support your child to improvise and excel in that field. The second one is develop. We need to strongly understand that parents need to develop themselves on regular basis. As I've told you earlier, you need to develop the art of balance in grooming your child. Also, you need to develop the different types of roles that you need to play with your child. During certain days, you will be as the mentor to your child. And on few occasions, you will be their friends. And on few days, you will partner them. And on certain occasions again, you will be their boss. Now the third one is to donate. To donate simply means to give something to someone without expecting anything in return. So as parents, we need to donate our time, our affection, our love, our joy, our effort, our commitments, and most importantly, our experiences. And when we donate our attributes, the child adapts certain qualities from us, not by hearing what we say, but by what we give to them. There's a famous quote by Winston Churchill. It goes like this: we make a living by what we get, and we make a life by what we give. So we need to give the best of or all our support to our children. Now coming to the don'ts, the first one is dependent. Never raise your child to be dependent on you. A dependent child is a demanding child. Demands leads to or increases audacity and diminishes the love and respect for parents gradually. But it is very important that the parent creates a sense of trust in the child that they will be and are available always for the child's needs and requirements towards the improvement and growth of the child. The second one is desperate. Desperate is when the parent is no longer able to bear the child's behavior. We do not become desperate instantly. It is only that we fail to understand the clues and hints given by the child through their behavioral pattern. And during these times, all we need to do is calm down ourselves, reach out to the child, sit with the child and discuss in depth as to what is it that's hurting them in their mind, and to provide solutions and help them come out of it. The third one is difficulties. Everyone would have faced difficult situations in our lives. It is only the intensity that differs person to person. So when we keep talking about our difficulties on frequent occasions with our child, it actually deepens the negative thinking in them, which curtails them to explore and try new things in life. Instead, if the child starts looking at the world and the people around them with a negative perception, instead you can talk to them or discuss with them the challenges that you faced and on the measures that you took to overcome those challenges. So with that, we come to the end of the do's and don'ts of D alphabet. I will get connected with you in a day or two with the do's and don'ts in parenting of E alphabet. Until then, please stay connected and share your comments and likes with us. Also support us by subscribing our channel, and do not forget to click on the notification button with the bell symbol. If you wish to connect with us directly, please do write to us or call us. Thank you, parents.